You stay here. No, stay right here. He's way over there. He's behind that pine tree. Dookie, you're looking the wrong way, bud. Here we go, that way. There he is. There he is, Duke. To the right. He's to the right, Duke. You're looking the wrong way. No, Dookie. I got my 2 hot dogs left, and I got my little ribbies on there. Let's see how those work out. Hey, get out of there. Let's see how those work out. Dookie sits right next to this campfire. Because he loves staring out at the prairie of Montana. I have to say, every little campsite I've been to so far has been beautiful, and we've been to one every single day since I left New York, besides the one in South Dakota that I did 2 nights. Meanwhile, every little place is different. That's what I like about it. This is what Duke does with his bone. Go on, you go to bed. Go to bed. Good boy. Good boy. Tries to hide it, but he can't freaking hide it, then I can't find it. Then he's gonna cry for it. What a beautiful night. Another place with no bear box, but they're telling me there's bears.